Okay, in this tutorial we'll see how you can connect the CapnoTrainer to your computer software via USB cable instead of Bluetooth. So to connect it via Bluetooth, you basically connect this to your computer, which is a USB dongle, and then it will automatically connect, and this third LED will turn to green. But in case, for example, if you're doing an overnight study or overnight recording, it's best to connect it via USB cable, or for example, if your CapnoTrainer is not charged enough, it's not charged, and you want to immediately run a session, you can use the USB cable to connect it. So you can turn on the CapnoTrainer software on your computer like this, and then it comes with a USB cable. So for example, the other end of this USB cable is connected to my computer, and I can connect this type C to here, and once I connect it, you'll notice that the third LED turns to orange. So orange means that the CapnoTrainer is connected to my computer via USB cable, and it also shows me this notification, which is nice. So if I remove it, for example, you'll notice that it says CapnoTrainer GO was disconnected from your computer's USB, and if I connect it back, it will tell me that it is connected, and the LED turns orange. Okay. Besides that, everything else is the same. So for example, I can sign in, go to the session screen by clicking on proceed without a client name, or select a client and proceed. And once the CapnoTrainer is connected and it's showing me this orange LED, I can click on connect CapnoTrainer, and everything else remains the same. For example, I can do the zero calibration after connecting the line and the water trap to it. This fourth LED is green, so I can hold this button down and it starts blinking. And I can connect myself after zero calibration with a nasal cannula, which is this one, to my nose. So everything seems to work, and at this moment my USB dongle is not connected, so basically I'm tethered, like the device is tethered to the computer via USB cable. This is another way you can connect the CapnoTrainer to your computer. The first way was basically USB via Bluetooth dongle, and the other way is basically via USB cable. The nice thing about connecting it via USB cable is that while you're using it, it will also charge at that same time. So in case, for example, if my battery like the CapnoTrainer battery right now is 89% charged, but in case, for example, it was not charged, it was like 5%, 10%, and I still wanted to use it, I can use it in USB mode, and then while I'm using it, it will also charge the battery at that time, and then later on I can use it in Bluetooth mode as well. Okay, perfect, thank you. I can disconnect the CapnoTrainer by clicking on disconnect CapnoTrainer button, and then which was this button. I'm sorry, I did it a little too fast. So okay,